Hey guys, what's up? I just got these like pest repellent things in the mail from Amazon. Thought I would open them up and take a look with you and just see what we got in the box here. So got several. We got 4 so far. Looks like there's going to be maybe 6 in here. Alright, let's set that back there and take a look at one. Seems pretty straightforward. I'm just going to peel this off. This is such a satisfying feeling. Anytime you peel something off, it'll never look that shiny again, right? Seems like pretty lightweight, pretty simple, straightforward. Plug it in, and I guess it goes from there. Here is the little user manual. And just this one page here, and it just says plug it in and it will start to work. That's cool. So it says there won't be any dead bodies because it should actually repel them away from your home. So we'll have to see about that, but seems pretty straightforward. That's about as easy as it gets, right? You open it up, you plug them in. There are 6, so like I live in a small condo, I can put one in every room, and hopefully that really helps to keep the little bugs away. I guess it does help with rodents too, like mice, but I know for me, I worry most about insects. We've got like roaches in Florida is a big thing, and so that's what I'm mostly hoping it will help with. But yeah, anyway, seems pretty straightforward. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.